Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will look at a new feature that was added in Prodigy 4.5, the graphing calculator. To access your graphing calculator, scroll to the left of the main carousel to the calculator icon. Tap on it to execute. By default, the calculator is set as a standard calculator. To configure it to a graphing calculator, tap on the settings button on the top left corner of the screen. The first item in the menu is the mode option. Tap on mode. There are three different types of modes that can be configured on the calculator: standard, scientific, or graphing. Tap on graphing. Go back to the main calculator. You will notice that the interface has changed, especially a new button that has appeared at the bottom left corner of the screen beside the 0, which is a 2-arrow button. If you tap on that button, you will find different functions. The first menu is the trigonometry function, where you can find a sine wave, a cosine, tan, etc. If you tap on inv for inverse on the second column of the interface, you will find the inverse of the trigonometry functions. If you tap on hip for hyperbolic, these are all the hyperbolic functions. Right under trigo, you will find a button called misc. In the misc menu, you have three other menus, which is misc 1, 2, and 3. In misc 1 menu, you'll find different logarithmic functions. In misc 2, you will find functions, for example, like the floor function, the ceiling function, etc. misc 3, here you will find functions like derivatives or integrals. Now, let's try our new graphing calculator. Let's write y equals sine x. And do not forget your closing bracket or else the graph will not work. Once you have the function written, tap on graph. The function will be traced out. We are using the Desmos API to do this. At the bottom of the screen, there are 4 buttons. From left to right, you have the back button, the capture button, the minus and the plus button. The minus and the plus button are used to zoom in or zoom out. The camera button is the capture button. If you tap on it, this will save a screenshot of the function in the gallery. Let's go see. Go back to the main menu or the main carousel, tap on gallery, and the screenshot folder will be on your left, right beside the distance folder. Here is the graph that we've captured. Thank you for listening.